Our planet is warming at an alarming rate. The evidence is undeniable. Melting glaciers, rising sea levels and coastal flooding are just the beginning. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, forest fires and flooded city streets are becoming more frequent and severe. The culprit? Greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, released from burning fossil fuels. These emissions are altering our atmosphere. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, causing Earth's temperature to rise. The resulting heat waves and smog are affecting urban areas worldwide. This warming trend, if left unchecked, threatens the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Drought-affected lands, coral bleaching and deforestation are clear indicators. We face a future of more intense heat waves, prolonged droughts, devastating floods and other extreme conditions. Rising sea levels could displace millions, leading to widespread coastal erosion and creating climate refugees. The time to act is now. We must heed the calls for change and take decisive action. We must reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and transition to cleaner sources of energy such as wind, solar and electric vehicles. The challenge is immense but not insurmountable. Scientists and engineers are already working on innovative solutions. Human ingenuity has brought us this far, and it holds the key to averting the worst effects of climate change. We must harness our creativity and technology. We must embrace innovation, invest in sustainable solutions, and work together to create a cleaner, healthier planet for generations to come. Community efforts and green projects are vital. The future of our planet hangs in the balance, and the choices we make today will determine its fate. Let's make the right choices for a sustainable future. A crucial step in combating climate change is electrifying our world. This means shifting away from fossil fuels and powering our homes, businesses and transportation systems with electricity. But not just any electricity. We need electricity generated from clean, sustainable sources. Think of all the ways we use energy daily. Cars, buses and trains move people and goods. Factories hum with activity, producing everything from clothes to electronics. Our homes are illuminated, heated and cooled thanks to the flow of energy. Electrification offers a pathway to decarbonize these sectors. Imagine a world where electric vehicles silently navigate our streets, charged by solar and wind power. Picture homes heated and cooled by efficient heat pumps, powered by clean electricity. This is the promise of electrification, a cleaner, more sustainable future powered by electrons, not emissions. As we electrify our world, we need a reliable and carbon-free energy source to meet the growing demand. The increasing urbanization and technological advancements are driving our energy needs to unprecedented levels. That's where nuclear energy steps in, offering a robust solution to our energy crisis. Unlike fossil fuels, nuclear power plants generate electricity without releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This makes them a crucial player in our fight against climate change. They are the silent giants of clean energy, quietly providing baseload power to millions around the globe. Their presence ensures that our lights stay on and our industries keep running. Imagine a power source that operates day and night, regardless of the weather. Whether it's a sunny day or a stormy night, nuclear power remains steadfast, a source that requires only a small amount of fuel to produce vast amounts of energy. This efficiency is unparalleled in the energy sector. That's the power of nuclear fission, the process that drives nuclear power plants. This process releases immense energy from tiny amounts of fuel. Nuclear energy offers a compelling solution to our climate challenge. It is a reliable and scalable option that can be deployed globally. It provides a constant and predictable supply of electricity, unlike intermittent renewable sources like solar and wind. This consistency is vital for maintaining a stable energy grid, and its carbon footprint is minimal, making it a powerful tool in the fight against climate change. By integrating nuclear energy into our energy mix, we can significantly reduce our carbon emissions and move towards a sustainable future. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind hold immense promise for a sustainable future. They harness the power of nature, the sun's rays and the wind's force to generate clean electricity. reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. But these sources are not without their challenges, particularly when it comes to reliability and storage. The variability of weather conditions can significantly impact their efficiency. Solar panels depend on sunlight, which varies throughout the day and is absent at night. Cloudy days can also reduce their effectiveness. Wind turbines require wind to spin, and the wind, as we know, can be fickle. Some days the wind is strong, while on others it is barely a breeze. This intermittency poses a significant hurdle for consistent energy production. How do we ensure a steady supply of electricity when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing? This is a critical question for the future of renewable energy. The answer lies in energy storage. Advanced battery systems can store excess energy generated during peak production times. We need efficient and cost-effective ways to store surplus energy and release it when demand exceeds supply, ensuring a balanced grid. While battery technology is advancing rapidly, it's not yet at a scale to fully address the intermittency issue of renewables. Continued innovation and investment are crucial for a sustainable energy future. Section 5. Nuclear's Global Footprint, a Tale of Two Trajectories. The global nuclear landscape is a study in contrasts. Some nations are embracing nuclear power as a key component of their clean energy strategies, while others are phasing it out. In Asia, nuclear energy is experiencing a resurgence. China, with its rapidly growing energy demands, is investing heavily in new nuclear power plants. India, too, is expanding its nuclear capacity to meet the needs of its burgeoning population. Meanwhile, in Europe, the picture is more complex. Germany, following the Fukushima disaster in 2011, has embarked on an ambitious plan to phase out nuclear power and transition to renewable sources. France, on the other hand, remains heavily reliant on nuclear energy, which provides the majority of its electricity. Section 6. The Price of Power. Navigating the economics of nuclear energy. Building a new nuclear power plant is a significant undertaking, both financially and logistically. The upfront costs are substantial, and construction projects can be complex and time-consuming, often facing delays and cost overruns. Several factors contribute to the high price tag of nuclear power. Safety regulations are stringent, requiring robust containment structures and redundant safety systems. Construction materials must meet exacting standards, and the approval process can be lengthy, involving multiple layers of regulatory scrutiny. However, it's important to consider the long-term economic benefits of nuclear energy. Once operational, nuclear power plants have relatively low operating costs. They are fueled by uranium, a dense and abundant energy source. And with proper maintenance, these plants can operate for decades, providing a stable and predictable source of electricity. Section 7. Safety first, addressing public concerns about nuclear power. The spectre of nuclear accidents, such as Chernobyl and Fukushima, continues to cast a long shadow over the nuclear industry. These events, though rare, highlight the potential consequences of safety breaches and underscore the importance of robust safety protocols. Public concerns about nuclear waste disposal also persist. The radioactive waste generated by nuclear reactors requires careful handling and long-term storage to prevent environmental contamination. Finding suitable storage solutions remains a challenge. The nuclear industry has made significant strides in safety and waste management since those early accidents. Modern reactor designs incorporate passive safety features that rely on natural forces like gravity and convection to cool the reactor core in the event of an emergency. And research into advanced recycling technologies offers the potential to reduce the volume and radioactivity of nuclear waste. Section 8. Atoms of Innovation. The promise of next-generation nuclear. The future of nuclear energy may lie in innovative reactor designs that address the limitations of traditional nuclear power plants. Next-generation reactors such as small modular reactors, SMRs, and molten salt reactors, MSRs, offer potential solutions to safety, waste, and proliferation concerns. SMRs, as their name suggests, are smaller and more modular than conventional reactors. They can be manufactured in factories and transported to site, reducing construction costs and timelines. MSRs, on the other hand, operate at lower pressures and temperatures, reducing the risk of meltdowns. These advanced reactor designs hold the potential to revolutionize the nuclear industry. They could provide safer, more efficient, and more versatile sources of clean energy, powering everything from remote communities to industrial processes. Section 9. Forging a sustainable path, a balanced energy future. The path to a sustainable energy future is not about choosing one energy source over another. It's about embracing a diverse portfolio of clean energy solutions, tailored to each region's unique needs and resources. Nuclear energy, with its reliability and carbon-free attributes, deserves a seat at the table alongside renewables like solar and wind. By combining these technologies, we can create a resilient and sustainable energy system that powers our world without jeopardizing the planet. The challenges posed by climate change are complex and multifaceted, demanding a multifaceted response. A balanced approach that leverages the strengths of both nuclear and renewable energy offers the best path forward. It's time to move beyond the false dichotomy of nuclear versus renewables and embrace a future powered by a harmonious blend of clean energy solutions.